Hello, people. I'm sorry I got the date wrong for the live, and I kind of slept in. So it's 9:51 right now, and I just wanted to say I'm sorry, and we'll probably go live in I'll probably go live at 10:30. Alright, because some of my shorts get already 400 some views when I go to check on them, and it's only 10 minutes after. But yeah, here's the paper that we're gonna be using for this 2.0. I kind of revealed it because yeah, but we're also gonna have a goal of 1,000 subscribers, because if my shirts can get 400 some views by the time I check 10 minutes later, then I think we could get to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, some of them get 7,000, so just wanted to say that. And here's my kid. Look how beautiful he is. My cousin made him. My cousin is so awesome sauce. So anyways, yeah, goodbye.